Hello and welcome to GrossiMath.com, where math is for everyone. Today we're going to be solving question 16 from the 2017 Algebra 1 STAAR, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is, of course, read the question 16, and it says, what is the slope of the line represented by 6x plus 3y equals 9? Okay, this is a very straightforward question, and of course there are ways of doing it by hand. However, occasionally, we can panic on tests. We can have a moment of, hey, what am I supposed to do? What's a slope? What's this? What's that? And so luckily, we have our lucky TI-Nspire calculator to help us solve this problem and find a correct slope. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you do is, of course, press Control N. That is always the start of a new problem, Control N. You can remember it because N stands for new. And now we're going to put in the No button. And over here, I'm going to put, now this is a classic example of what they call a GRA problem, GRA. And the reason is because that's what the buttons you're going to press on the calculator, as you'll see. The G stands for graph. So we're going to choose that number 2 over there where it says graph. I'm looking over here because my calculator's over here, of course. And then, even though you see it up there, right? And now I'm going to go over here. Okay, so I did the G of GRA. That was graph. Now I'm going to do the R, which is relation. Delete and the number 6. So that's relation. So the R in GRA is relation. So we're going to put that number 6 right there. Okay, and now we're going to take the equation and type it into the box. The A in GRA stands for analyze, and you cannot analyze a graph that is not on the calculator. My screen is still blank up here. I can't do anything with that. So I need to type in the equation first. Okay, so let's get typing. All right, 6x plus 3y equals 9. Okay, and you can see that now up here in my box I have the equation that I needed. Alright, now I'm going to put enter, and of course you can see that the line has appeared. Okay, now what do I do with this? Well, remember what I said, the A stands for analyze, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So we did graph, we did relation, and now that we have the graph we can actually analyze. So for analyze you go to menu, and of course I can see the word analyze is right up there on the number 6. Okay, and now which one would I choose? Well, if you've been in class, we've been practicing this quite a bit, that I don't want that one, that one, that one, that one. Of course, dy dx, that means slope. So the word slope is here in my problem, and the symbol for slope, dy dx, is here in my calculator. Really it's a calculus symbol. It means something else, but for Algebra 1 purposes, we could say that the D stands for the difference of y, and the D stands for the difference of x. When you get to calculus, I'm sure we'll explain it a little bit more clearly, but for now we're just going to use this to help us find some slope. Okay, so dy dx, and all I need to do is point. See that little finger there? Let me jump up there by the calculator so you can really see. Oh, this is fun. I'm pointing to a little finger with a finger. There, see there's a little finger on the screen? And there it goes. And it's moving around there. And it's wanting to show me a number. And that number that's bobbing around there is the number -2. No matter where you go on that line, that -2 would appear. You can click that finger wherever you need to click it. That -2 is going to stay the same because the slope of a line is always the same, no matter where you inspect it. So there you go. -2 is your correct answer. So now we're going to go into the system and we're going to try to put in -2. So I switch screens and click. And there we go. As you can see, nice and correct. So once again, the analyze function is menu. Let me just review those buttons one more time. Menu, 6. And for slope, you're going to press button 5. Okay, and there you go. I've got a brand new little finger guide there moving around. I can slide it to any point on the line, and at any point, I'm still going to get the same slope. It does not matter where you click. There's your answer, -2. Okay, so in this video, we reviewed how to find the slope of the line using the TI-Nspire calculator by the strategy called GRA, which stands for Graph, Relation, Analyze. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you're feeling more and more prepared for your Algebra STAAR. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to click the bell icon. And I will see you soon, and good luck.